Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer Bitcoin on Moonpay in 2025. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of the platform and its features. First, you need to create an account on Moonpay if you haven't already. Go to the Moonpay website and click on Sign Up. Then follow the prompts to provide the required information. Once your account is set up, you will need to verify your identity to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. To transfer Bitcoin on Moonpay, start by logging into your account and clicking on the Wallet tab. From there, select the Bitcoin wallet and click on Send. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address, which you can obtain from their wallet or exchange. It is essential to double-check the recipient's address to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong person. You should also be aware of the transaction fees associated with transferring Bitcoin, which can vary depending on the network congestion. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer and review the transaction details. Make sure everything is correct before confirming the transaction. Moonpay will then prompt you to confirm the transaction and authorize the transfer. Once the transaction is confirmed, it will be processed and settled on the blockchain. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the network congestion and the transaction fees you paid. It is also important to note that Moonpay offers various transfer options, including fast and standard transfers. Fast transfers are more expensive but are processed quickly, while standard transfers are cheaper but may take longer to process. In conclusion, transferring Bitcoin on Moonpay is a straightforward process that requires you to create an account, verify your identity, and follow the prompts to send Bitcoin to the recipient. Always double-check the recipient's address and transaction details to avoid errors. And be aware of the transaction fees associated with transferring Bitcoin. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely transfer Bitcoin on Moonpay.